I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a fellow carpet cleaner for 37 years. And this morning I want to go over one of my favorite products, which is Surround Omega Citrus. Omega Citrus is unique in a lot of ways. It's an encapsulation product that can be used for hot water extraction as your pre-spray, or it can be used with CRB, it can be used with Bonnet, pretty much any methodology in carpet cleaning or fabric cleaning. What makes this separate from the pack is this is a neutral pH. So you can use it on wool, but you can also use it on heavy restaurant grease. So you get a wide range of cleaning options that this one product can do for you. It's also a premium product. It has built-in zinc odor neutralizers, zinc-based odor neutralizers, so you don't get a wet carpet smell. And it has the Pro Fresh scent, which is a very premium, high-end fragrance oil that gives it a lingering scent. So if you clean it tonight, the office will smell good tomorrow morning. It won't be overwhelming, but it'll be light and pleasant and fresh. And Pro Fresh is actually the scent that put Bonnet Pro on the map. So we're neutral. We have actual built-in odor neutralizers. We have a great fragrance. We have excellent cleaning power. And we have an industry exclusive, which is AFT. AFT is called active film technology. And it's kind of the principle that, have you ever seen a dirty flower? I haven't. And it takes this principle, and it's actually a functional protein. It's not a synthetic harmful element. And this puts a micro coating on the fiber as you're cleaning, so the next time you go to clean, the oily binders don't adhere to the carpet's fibers as tenaciously, and it's much easier to clean off the next time. And as you clean, especially if you have jobs that you do month after month, you'll notice a little bit of a buildup of the AFT, and it'll get easier and easier each time you clean it, which means it's faster, it's easier for you to do, and it makes you more profit. So that's built into a lot of my products. It doesn't cost you any money, it doesn't take any extra time, it doesn't create any extra drying time, but you get a great advantage from buying a Bonnet Pro product like Surround Omega Citrus. So a couple cleaning tips. In most cleaning situations, whether it's upholstery or pre-treat, you're going to use this at 4 to 8 ounces per gallon. Now, if you are cleaning an area where there's a lot of coffee spills, as an example, there's a lot of organic staining. Now with Revive-It Oxyol, which is a 14% stabilized peroxide solution, 46% by volume, you can add several ounces of the oxyol to the Omega Citrus. Now you have Omega Citrus with Oxy. So you get all the great features and the great fragrance, and now you have peroxide added to it also. If you should come into a very difficult situation that just needs a little extra boost, you can add Nanomax at a ½ ounce or ounce per gallon. This will help it cut hydrocarbons even better and take that rat nasty apartment that you're cleaning and help you get through that and get great results for the property manager at that location. So great product by itself. We can add Oxy to it now, and we can add a little bit extra grease cutting if we need to with Nanomax. Let's look at some testimonials and some before and after pictures, and we're here when you need us. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 877-477-1615. Email me at info@bonnetpro.com. And you're always welcome to come visit us at Encapsulation Cleaners World or Bonnet Pro's page on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Keep on cleaning.